Today, I'm going to show you 5 free Canva apps that you can use right now, start using right now to take your YouTube channel and your designs to the next level. Whether you're designing thumbnails or translating text, these apps are going to be a game changer for you. Let's go into my computer. I'd love to show you what the interface looks like and just how super easy these apps are to use. Hi, my name is Sharon, and this is OPUB Connect. The first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, all you need is an email address to create one, and it's free to do so. Once you log into your Canva account, this is the interface that you'll see. Okay, and here you can choose whatever documents or size that you want to use for your design. If you don't see it on this line, you can click on more, and that will bring up a library of documents that are available that you can use. You can also search for whatever you're looking for here, the size or the document, or you can click on create a design. Okay. Now, today I'm going to use a thumbnail design, a YouTube thumbnail design, which is already here. So you click on YouTube thumbnail. The first app I'm going to show you is called Translate Now. If you want to reach an international audience, this app would be the app for you. Okay, so let me put a design on the page, including text, and then I'll show you how this works. Okay, so to get to your design, you can go to get to my images, I'll go to Upload Now, and I'll use this, and let's put text on the page. So this is how you get to the app. Over here on the left where you have design, elements, text, all you have to do is scroll down to apps, click on apps. And in the search bar here, you're going to type in Translate Now. And here it is, comes up, you click on Translate Now, click on Translate Now. And here it tells you to input the text of whatever it is that you want to translate. So I want to translate this, dance like nobody's watching. So I copy and paste it in the text box here. And I click, then you have to choose which language you want to translate it to. So I'm going to choose French and click Translate. And here it is. I'm not even going to try it, but it also puts it here in your design for you in a text box. Okay, so let's increase that. And you can increase it either by clicking and holding until your desired size comes up, or you can also just type in, whatever number, the size that you want it. Now, guys, I don't speak French, so you'll tell me in the description box if this translation is accurate. And there are a number of languages available here, and I'll go down and show you. You can check out my YouTube video here on how to use Canva. If you've never used it before, or if you're a little bit apprehensive, you'll just see how super easy it is to use Canva. So I'll link it up here for you. The second app is called Text Maker. You can use this app to create stunning text effects and unique text combinations. Okay, so we click on apps, type in Text Maker. Okay. You're going to click on the first one that you see here. And here you can see there are a number of unique text combinations, right? Beautiful text. At the top here, you can choose 3D. Wherever you see the Pro, guys, that means that you have to have a paid account. Okay, we're doing this for free. I don't even have a paid account. You have gold, that you can use. And this is just the menu in Text Maker. There's comic, right? And there are a bunch of them that you can just go over and say, okay, we can use comic for this. Now you can scroll down and you can say which ones you want. I'm going to use this one. Select wow. Okay, and this is the font size that it's saying. If you want to change the font style, I should say, then you can just click on here and change your font style. I'm going to use it as is. So let's go back to it. You can align your text. You can change the line height. As you can see, it's subtle, but it's there. You can change the spacing, as you can see. You can also customize and change your colors, and I'll show you that. It's yellow. The fill color, we can change it to pink if we want. And you get the idea. The outline colors, you can change that as well. The 3D depth color, you can change those too. Okay, which is these colors right here. Let's change the gray. You can change the gradient. Okay. All right, so let's go back. You can also change the effects, right, which is the way the text looks. Okay. And under each of these effects, you have choices as well. You have options. So you have inner shadow, you have outer shadow. You can enable the outer shadow, enable the inner shadow. Okay, and you can change it, make it stronger, more obvious, right? And it's something that you could play around with, right? And then you can click on Add to Design to add it to your design. And it says the quality. You can choose low quality or medium quality. I'm going to choose medium. And here is your design. And you can, fit it wherever you want on your design. The third app is Lottie Files. Lottie Files will add lightweight, professional grade animation to your design. Click on Apps. Click on Lottie Files. Type in Lottie Files. And you click on the first one you see. And it gives you the featured colors. You can always adjust the colors of the color palette. For whatever design that you want. So let's say we choose this design. Okay, you can change your color palette if you want. You can either make it custom or you can choose, one of these down here. If you wanted to do a custom palette, you can click on custom, click on the colors, and then you can choose a color or colors based on just by clicking. Okay. And this is adding a GIF to your design. So then you would click on Add GIF to Design, and you can choose whether you want a small, medium, or large. And it tells you that large GIFs may take longer to generate. So I'm going to choose medium, click on Add, and then you just have to wait for it to do its thing. And here it is. Okay, and then you can move it around wherever you want. Okay, so the third app is the Replicator app. Okay, so you type in Replicator under apps and you click on the Replicator app. Click on Replicate. You can use this app to duplicate elements and create patterns. And this is how you would do that. You click on the element that you want to duplicate, click on Replicate. And as you can see here, it replicated my image, and you can have it linear in a line. You can have it grid style, circular, or in a wave. Okay, like grid. And you can adjust the columns, as you can see here. You can adjust the rows, and it tells you if this pops up, that means you have too many rows and you just have to scroll down a little. You can adjust the horizontal spacing. Okay. You can adjust the vertical spacing. And you can do that for each of them, as you can see here. Okay. Circular, ring count. Okay. The same thing for the wave. Wave count, amplitude, and the length. Okay. So I'm going to use the grid style because I like the grid. So I'm going to create a design and show you how to use it as a background for your project. Okay, so it's here. I created my design. There are more options that you can use. Slide, rotation, horizontal skew. You cannot apply both rotation and skew. Okay, that's fine. Gotcha. And then when you're ready to add it to your design, you click on Add to Design. And here you have it. So to add it to your design as the background, you just have to drag these circles here and adjust it till it fits, whatever, how much of the background that you want, if you want the whole background. Click on Position to send it to the back. And you keep clicking backwards until you can't see backwards anymore. That means it's totally to the back and it's totally the background. Then you can click on Transparency just to lighten it so that it's not so overpowering. See, decrease the transparency. And there you've created your own background. The fourth app is called Transform Image, and this app lets you manipulate your text or your image just by dragging it. Okay, so you click over here on Transform Image. Okay, and it's asking you to choose a file, but I'll show you how you can choose your file, because you're going to need your file that you're using to transform. You're going to need it to be transparent. Now, if you have the pro account for Canva, meaning that it's an account that you paid for, then you can remove the background and make the image transparent. However, if you don't have the pro account, you're going to have to use a different application to create a transparent image to use. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's click on Add a Page. And on this page, we're going to add, let's say we're going to add text. We can use this one, that's just fine. And I'm going to change this to Joy. Okay. And what I'm going to do is download this on my computer. Click download. And I'm only going to download this one page here. Done. Download it. Okay, so now it's downloaded on my computer. Now I have to find a way to remove the background and make the image transparent. Okay, so I'm going to use Adobe free background remover. So you type in Adobe free background remover. And if you don't have an Adobe account, all you have to do is use your an email address and create an Adobe account. And here you have it. It says drag and drop an image or browse to upload. So you will click on upload your photo. Adobe would make the image transparent and download. Then you can download that on your computer. Okay. Now I already did it. So I'm going back into the Transform Image app. Click on Apps. Back into Transform Image. And now it says to choose the file. And this is the file that Adobe made transparent for me to use. I uploaded it into the Transform Image app. And now you can manipulate it just like so. You see? You can also zoom in and out. And here, maybe it's easier for you to see how you can rotate it and move it. Okay. Okay, and say you want to add this now to your image. What you would do is click on Add to Image. And you would resize it. All right, so you just drag the circles until it's at the size that you want, and then you could place it wherever you want, right? There you go. You could use this app to put text on t-shirts, coffee mugs, and the like. That's 5 free Canva apps that you can use to level up your content and level up your design. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.